Hey everyone, it's Sean from Empire Drone. Today we're checking out the GNARBOX 2.0 SSD rugged backup device. The GNARBOX is an essential tool for professionals looking for an easy way to make data backups throughout the day. The GNARBOX is one of the most reliable ways to back up your files in the field, because as we all know, there's nothing worse than data loss after hours of flying on site. GNARBOX has an avid following of professionals because of its one-touch backup, large storage capacity, and rugged protection. It's being used by everyone from fire investigators to utility inspection teams and is a worthy addition to any professional drone pilot's kit. Let's take a look. The GNARBOX comes with the backup drive, the external battery, micro SD reader, the power adapter, the USB-C to C cable, and various other accessories. The GNARBOX itself comes in 3 storage sizes, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Its rugged exterior is mil-spec rated against water and dust resistance, and importantly, it weighs less than a pound. On the side here we have the micro HDMI port, the USB-C port, and the SD card slot. The GNARBOX has a transfer speed of up to 390 megabytes per second, and with folder presets, you are able to intelligently back up your data with one touch. The GNARBOX battery lasts 3 to 6 hours of continuous use. It's compatible with both Mac OS and Windows, and supports Pro image and video formats like RAW and ProRes. So that was a look at the GNARBOX 2.0 SSD. The GNARBOX is key for any professional looking for a reliable way to quickly back up their critical data in the field. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit our website and subscribe to our social media in the links below. We'll see you next time.